Welcome, welcome, and welcome. Again, your therapist, Mr. Ryan, here to take a moment of your wonderful time to promote my upcoming mental health workshop entitled Time to Talk Trauma. This will be an online workshop where we discuss all things trauma, focusing on different PTSD symptoms and how trauma effects and responses present themselves. We're really going to be looking at what trauma and its effect on our mental health. Also, because learning about trauma isn't enough, we got to know what to do with it, right? There will also be several demonstrations of coping skills in between things to kind of keep the flow going and really help everybody who participates to learn some of the tools necessary to combat life's stressors and traumas. Drawing from 14 years of experience in the mental health field, including being a certified trauma therapist, I really feel it's time I take my knowledge outside of the therapy room and bring it to a wider audience. I've long said my superpower is being able to heal people with the power of conversation. So I'm very excited to apply my skill set in a whole new way. The workshop will be taking place on Thursday, August 29th at 7 p.m. on Zoom. Tickets are $10 each. And there's a little bit of fees on there, of course, so Eventbrite can make their money. You'll find the link to be able to purchase those things in the comments below. The presentation will be recorded, so there will be a replay available for everyone that purchases a ticket. I will send you a copy of the presentation so you'll be able to watch it as many times as you want. If there's any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I hope to see you at the workshop on the 29th. Peace.